Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you how to identify the amount you are owed as a director from your company within Xero. So starting on the dashboard screen, we will go to Accounting and Reports. And once that opens, we can go into your balance sheet. Now you want to make sure the correct date is chosen because that will determine when you are owed the money, because your money may be owed from after the 31st of March rather than prior to 31st of March. So do make sure the date is correct. But what you want to look for is, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll have your capital and reserves section at the very bottom. This will include all of your equity items. And if you're using Xero through the standard approach and standard accounts, you will have a owner A drawings. And this is where you've allocated a bill, for example, against your personal bank account. So you have paid a bill and said this did not go against the business bank account, and instead this went against the owner's bank account, and you've used the owner A drawings account. And that's showing that I am owed £100, and I'm owed £100 because it is a positive £100. Again, this is a standard balance sheet. I have not changed the signage on this balance sheet. Therefore, I know that positive £100 means I am owed £100. There are other ways of finding this out, and I will go through them in another video. There is also other accounts that you may use, which again are not the standard approach. So you might have a director's loan account that you've set up, and for ease, you've put your ins and outs within that instead of using the owner A drawings. Again, we can always go through that in another video. But that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.